Hi there, I'm Kristen and I'm with One Focus Property Management. Today I am taking you on the tour of 43 Hampton Way, located in Tools Run Housing Development in Montoursville, Pennsylvania. This amazing townhouse has so much to love. Literally 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a master with ensuite. You know what? I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna walk you through, show you every amazing thing about this place. And after I do that, I'm going to tell you how to make this the next place that you're definitely wanting to call home. So let's get started. So as always, in true One Focus fashion, we like to take it outside so you can see it all. This neighborhood is so beautiful and so serene that it's hard not to take the time to show it off. You can see you have spaces for 2 cars tandem. I'm not pulled all the way up, but you do have parking here. And then you have the garage here for 1 car, and there is interior access, so we'll go to that inside. And as I walk up to the front door, I invite you to sit down, clutch your pearls, and prepare to be amazed. Coming into the front door, you have a beautiful, beautiful view of this open staircase, and I cannot wait to get up there. But first things first, we're gonna visit the laundry room, mudroom. Incredible amount of storage in here, easy to keep things compartmentalized if you like that. Beautiful high efficiency machines. The owners added such an adorable touch to these machines to give it a little custom vibe. I'm here for it. You've got your 1-car garage attached. Pegboards over here if you'd like to hang things up, get them up out of the way. And we're gonna take it right across the way. This is a 1st floor master suite, FYI. Plenty of room for a king-size bed. It's not a traditional rectangle or square room, but that does not mean that there's lack of space in here. We're gonna come right to here. Y'all, first of all, giant mirror to check yourself out because you have to check your vibe before you leave for the day. And then you have hang bars and shelves. We're gonna come right into the master suite. Marble countertop here on the vanity, tons of storage, big beautiful mirror with gorgeous lighting. And you come right over here to this incredible, incredible tiled shower. P.S. Look at this bathtub. Look at it. It's so deep. You could totally be a mermaid if you'd like to do that. I don't know. It's just, I'm just coming up with ideas and spitballing here, but this is an incredibly, incredibly beautiful bath and shower. And I cannot believe how deep the tub is. I kid you not. It is like little kid swimming pool deep, which for a bathtub is pretty deep. So we're gonna keep on going. I'd like to show the 1st floor and then we'll go upstairs, I promise. So, we have your half bathroom here, beautiful lighting here. Again, another marble countertop, and then you have your toilet. You have another closet here for storage. And I did not touch on this one here, but that one there is also for storage. It's got a hang bar and a shelf. You come into the main living room of this and it feels so grand because when you walk out here, you have a view right to your backyard and your little back deck. But guys, you've got a whole loft up there. I literally cannot wait to show how amazing that space is up there. But let's take it outside. The birds are tweeting, the sun is shining. It is the perfect time to make this amazing townhouse yours. You come right into the kitchen here. Now you can designate your spaces to eat however you would like to, but there is this cute little area here that looks outside and into the kitchen that you can place a little dining room table set and chairs. And then we come into the kitchen with the gorgeous subway tile, the granite countertops, cabinets for literal days. I love the white vibe. It's so nice. Stainless steel appliances, and you do get the full appliance package, which, so good. Your water heater's in here, but there is stuff in here that you can utilize for extra storage, brooms, vacuums, whatever. And then you have a cutesy little pantry over here. So now let's take it upstairs because y'all, I've got even more to show you. I'm gonna come up these steps here. There's like a whole living room up here. You could easily set up a couch, a lazy boy, a television, whatever you want to add some additional furniture to really make a comfortable, cozy space. And you can look down on everybody in the regular living room. We're gonna come into the second bedroom here. This will certainly fit a king-size bed. It is a decent-sized bedroom. It has this fantastic double door closet and it's wide too. So there's lots of closet storage. And we're gonna keep on rolling through here. We've got a little linen cabinet there. Now there are some extra shelves here. You can see we're kind of in process. That's gonna be going into the next closet, which I cannot wait to show you. Second floor full bathroom. Now, this tub, not that it's disappointing, it is not nearly as deep as downstairs in the master suite. But you do have a nice tall shower head, the bath is beautiful, and then you have this great vanity here to tie the space together. So now those big metal shelves, they go in here because you have a whole, I mean like a literal like office-sized room as a closet up here. And then last but not least, you have the last bedroom. It's equal in size to the other, so you can definitely put a king-size bed in here. And then again, with the double door closets, y'all, this place is just incredible. So was I right, or was I right? This place is absolutely stunning. It's super incredible. It's literally every amazing adjective that you could possibly think about. So what you need to do to make this your place is you need to go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You're going to look at our listings and be able to find all the information about the property. You're going to be able to book your tour, and you will even be able to submit your application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, give us a call at the office at 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, it is literally my personal mission to make sure that I am helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website, give us a call today, because I am anxious to help you make this amazing place yours today.